All right, welcome back, gamers. We're jumping into another Set 10 TFT patch 14.1. We are currently in Emerald. Pushed up here last night playing with another subscriber. This guy, Butterman, he's one of my earlier subscribers. We're queuing up together. Crushed out a lot of games, but here we are now. So there's Max Infancy. We all went for the dancing scuttles. I don't know why someone didn't pick that. Someone screwed us. Cruel Pack, I'm not very good with, so I'm going to stay away from that. Pumping Up is huge. Buried Treasure is also really good. Freaky Friday is good. Her Invest is pretty nice. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. I'm going KDA. Alright, we should probably scout before I make this decision. And go Superman. A lot open right now. There's a lot open right now. How did I win that? Dude, look at my board. Oh, this guy's going Twin Terror, so we don't want Vex, we don't want... Okay, we'll see. Oh, I got Pumping Up? I thought I picked frickin' the middle one. Huh. Learn something new every day, I guess. Does anyone on 8-bit? I don't really want to play 8-bit, though. I think I could grab it for now. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. Do not know how I feel about this. This guy's going pentakills. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Okay. So yeah, big shout out to everyone that's been helping with the channel. My New Year's resolution was to get like 1K subs and become like a partnership with YouTube or whatever. Like I started this as a hobby. It's really started to take off for me. I'm appreciating everything that people are doing to help me out. Yeah, just so if you are watching this for the first time, please hit the like and subscribe button. And feel free to drop comments. I respond to every comment that's ever given to me, good or bad. I listen and I respond. I like to be engaged. Man, we're just, we're not hitting anything here. This is brutal. I have no clear direction of what I want to do. That's the problem. So we got Edgelord, 8-bit Sentinel. So we're right back with 8-bit. Punk Washer. Sentinel. Guardian Superfan. Disco, KDA. Tentacle, Superfan. 8-bit, which is me. I don't really want to play any of this. Speed 16. Yeah, that's gonna be huge for us. Grab you just in case. Grab you. So no spat. We have a KDA. What's our items? Oh, I shouldn't have grabbed that. I need AP. Ah, we gotta figure it out, guys. We gotta figure it out. Alright. Oh, man. I'm trying to process things in my head right now, what I want to do, and like nothing's really showing up for me. Nothing but freaking hamster wheels up there. Just giving or trying to figure something out. Yeah, hold on to you guys. You're gone. You're gone. You're here. I'll just sell you two. Oh, this is the dangerous game I'm playing, rerolling into freaking Jazz. But lots of these units would really benefit from it. Maybe I could pull it off. I don't know. We need a lot of help. This no longer applies to us. It's country now. This guy's going super fan KDA Disco. I don't know what that guy's building. Craziness. I mean, if I get an MF3 and a Bard 3, could possibly do something. Need a lot of help though. We need a lot of help. EDM, eh? Is anyone playing EDM? Is anyone playing Jax? No. I mean... I got no idea what I'm doing, guys. I'm a lost cause. I am a lost cause. I think we're just gonna try to frickin' hold down the jazz comp of some sort. Ripperoonie. There goes our 2-star. Did I skip over Sentinel too and Echo? I'm just doing everything wrong in this game. We're gonna have to do something miraculous to pull us back. So we need to put you back out. You're good, you're good. Put you out for you. We have no headliner. We'll hit a level here. We'll put you out. Sell you, sell you. And pray to the game gods we do something with this. What we're doing right now is extremely risky. We do not have a solid team comp. Oh, we're barely beating Krugs. I do like how they fixed Bartle a bit though. Made his dudes less punishing. He's always guaranteed 3 hit 3 and then 1 to heal. Heal when like applicable, but like before he just like he was all over the place. No, we're not doing shit. Shouldn't even have rolled there. I mean, we don't need super fan right now, so we might as well hit this. Get ourselves some sort of strength. I like that. I like that on her. You want to actually? I actually do think a Deathblade I'd like on her. Full fledge, full send. Full send. She's gonna get attack speed, right? Nice ramping attack speed might be my savior late game. Definitely not looking good right now, though. Right now, we're getting a little hurt. You know you're dying way too quick when it takes like a solid 10 seconds afterwards. Yeah, I'm a huge fan. Anyone that watches my videos will know I'm a massive fan of stationary support. So you get an extra dude, you get a bigger heal, you get mana to your nearest ally, you get more dash. I don't know if talent search is really the play though. We do get 10% attack speed. Screw it, we're going for it. Trolling it out. Somebody else, I want to give you this as well. You're going all out. Idiot big shot? No, we can't run that. What am I doing? What am I doing? Just sold her too. Alright, come on game, help us out here. This guy's stacked on econ. If we manage to get this MF with the headliner, well, we don't really need the headliner now, I guess, but if we manage to get her 3-star, The other thing about this is if we actually cut Lucian into our team comp, he'll come out with his headliner effect, which is also really huge. So it's kind of a win-win for us on that regard, but oh man. One more. Wrong Jazz. Just gonna roll away all my money here or what? Being silly. There we go. Yes. I don't care. I do not care. Give you this. Sick. That's all we need. Now I can chill for a bit. Chill and breathe. We waste a lot of money there though. Might sell this MF and this cannon to hit my interest if we win this. Don't really want to do that, but I spent money like a fool and I gotta make it up somewhere. We have to risk it for the biscuit. And her getting this ramping attack speed plus 10% for being a headliner, I think she's gonna really benefit really well from this. I'll go for it. I will take that. I'll find a way to play an Ari in here. You like Bloodthirst or you do not? You're already full. I mean, Lucian might be able to use it. Yeah, I'll sell all those items. No hasty decisions yet. Disco Dazzler. Sold. You're in. Now we chill. So our next unit's going to be out is going to be either Sentinel or Dazzler. I'd rather like to hit the Echo soon so we can start getting this. If we had That's Jazz Baby instead of freaking pumping up, I'd be very happy right now. But this is still pretty good. Just 1.39. Yeah. Don't get about that. We just need to get some Giga Tanks up front here. I like Arcadia Hexes, like we're not so cluttered that like one cast can just rip through my entire team. Sometimes you get the one where you're all buddied up in the middle and it's like super inconvenient. Boom, 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 boom. All I can do to make up the difference on this game, guys, is save money. Save money and slow roll for the units I need. It's not terrible. Guys got bumped up though a little bit. So their max HP per trait went from 1.5 to 2 to 3 to 1.5, 2.5 to 4. So we actually get more HP, but we don't get any bonus addition. That they turf that. Yeah. Yuck. So now after Wolves, we roll it again. We try to put somebody out. 1.40, like her. I want to see how much we actually scale up here. So we had 2% more every fight, right? That was really good. We got that in the first match too. Huge for us. If she's at 1.40, we want to see what she gets after the next match. How much 2% actually makes the difference on that. Ugh. Oh no. Yeah, we see you, bud. Dirty Jazz team comp, I tell you. And 1.42. Oh yeah, okay, it's just okay. It's never mind. Never mind, I'm tripping. That's 0.75. So she's almost double what she was. Almost double what she started off with. That is a nice 10%. So we have 44%. Yeah, sounds right. It's about double. Okay. Edge Knight's really good. Sell you, sell you, sell you. I don't want you to be my tank. I'm gonna make this work. I'm broke now. True damage spell over. No, we can't take that. That's a bad idea. There you go. Oh, you're broke. Really risky playing this team comp where we're at right now in the game. I haven't tried playing an Emerald. Risky. That's all I gotta say. Attack speed is nice though. I mean, that is 8 with new recruit, so he has 9 units out. He's broke. Dang. That's the guy I spent his money on. He must have been doing a lot of rolling down. This could really help us, but would also really screw us over. That could be solid. Could also be solid. Omnivamp. Don't know, because we only got a couple backline. Don't know if I really want to play that. Does she benefit from this as well? Oh, she does. That's cool. Cool. I mean, I'm okay with that. I wish I had a Lulu. Might do that instead of this. Try to push for one more spell weaver after this. Holy crow, guys. Holy crow. Thank you, MF. Do I ditch Big Shot and get Spellweaver active and keep KDA? I mean, probably not. I'm never gonna have the gold to pull this off. Just have to sell you. And hope we get an augment or a freaking emblem dropping off one of these carousels. Should have sold that MF. Making silly plays here, guys. I'm showing you a lot of what not to do's. Alright, Callie, calm down. Just a game, bud. Alright. What helps us in here? So we got that, we got... Kinda wanted that Lowy, but... I don't know how I'd cut her into my team right now. I'm really trying to hold up for Lucian. I think Lucian will blow up with that attack speed. Would be nuts. I'll just sell you for now. Gotta try to hit this frickin'. I need to hit a tank. So silly, I know, guys. I know. I know. I know. There we go. Finally. Gotta keep YOLOing down all my gold for this stuff? Like, come on. What's your deal, Deathblade? Double down the Deathblade on Kai'Sa or what? Cool. I don't know, man. We're gonna be struggling to get a freaking top 4 team comp, but it's... Jazz still plays decent. $540 first time you hit. Headliner effect plus 15%. And 2 dash further. There's no guarantee I'm gonna hit Lucian, so I'm gonna actually double down on you. Super risky. I really thought they'd give me a lot more AD than that. 8%? Oh, it's just 8%. Crap. If you're a 3-star, that'd be huge. I've skipped over so many of you. Just rolling down for units like trying to hit them, yeah. Silly. Oh no. Thank heavens for building a tank, eh? What a difference a tank makes. Who would ever thought? What a crazy concept. Oh, I want to sell her because I have a possibility I might be able to still hit that. How much are we from a roll down? 36? Oh, a mile away. Yeah, it's 46%. She was at 1.43 last we checked, or 4.2, 1.51. It's a lot of attack speed. You too. Perfect. That works for me. We're gonna do it like this. Go Bloodthirster Bard. Send it. Full send. I don't know, guys. Now we just pucker the old butt cheeks and hope we do all right. That headliner blitz, that's gonna be devastating if it is. It is. Gross. Hopefully our massive AD in the backline will chunk him down quick. Oh yeah, we just wow. Wow. Wow, we are turning up the heat right now. Holy crap, Kai'Sa. She's hitting the turbos. Smite him? No, that's his item. Flex on him. Oh, he's gone. 32. We're still gonna hold, I think. I want to hold until we get to carousel if we can. See if we can get a Lucian, and then if not, we'll roll for it. Lucian would go such a long way with our team count, guys. We go up to like 21%, if not more. That's a lot of bonus health. Oh no, this guy's strong. Straw Hat Yaz. We don't want this edgelord coming in the back line, which they're doing. That's not good. That's not good. Man, Bard throwing up the dubs. Nice in the back line? This is nuts, guys. Team code's actually working. Now, in a million years, I think I'd see Jazz doing okay in Emerald. And we're not even playing them well. Like, we don't have a lot of stuff going on for us. Headliner MF is kind of troll. I like that. It's a lot of output. A lot of output with ricochets. So I'll just keep buying and selling, right? Oh. I'm on a hot streak. Stop there. Oh man, if I 3-star her, whoa, we would be happy monkey bears up here. Come on. We need to hit Lucian on his carousel so freaking bad, guys. We need to make the carousel first. This is the guy that's playing Double Trouble, or Twin Terror, sorry. That's a big tank. It's okay. We'll get the tank down. That's all we gotta worry about. Once the tanks are down, we'll win the back line. Oh no, that's not good. That's not good. Oh no, we didn't get tanks down quick enough. Oh, that's not fun. I mean, that was the guy in first though. This makes me feel like a little bit better. Lucian? No. You need that MF. Don't do it. Come on, man. What's that? Okay. Let's think here. Yeah, that stuns, right? No, that's not the one that stuns. Tripping. I mean, that's not bad though. This is why I was waiting. But go for now, just so we're not missing something. You're still not leveled up. Freaking savage. Come on, game, help us out. Give us a dub. Oh, this Yone is gonna crush me. Not good. No way. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, man. Kites is doing work. Wow. I don't like how she dashed right into me. I think I might need to move her somehow. Like she dashes right into my units and then we're all clumped up. You guys saw that, eh? Don't tease me, game. Do not tease me. Not in the mood. Yeah, she like dashed right in here and then we're all grouped up. I don't like that. That's like a recipe for disaster with CC. There's my Lucian. Of course this guy would have it. Trolling me. How many people had like new recruits? Like everybody. Oh, he sold you. I don't care about any of this. I just want Lucian. How are we doing? We're bottom. This guy's the guy we. Not a big fan. Give me the loot. Give me the loot. Give me the loot. Give me the loot. Oh wow. You put items on your clone? No, I knew that was I knew that was the case. Oh no. Oh, okay, that's good. Arthas, that's a big Mordekaiser. Oh no. Oh, our Kaiser just got decimated. Come on, tank, stay in there. Both MFs just gotta do damage. No, wait. Oh! Am I still in? I'm still in. Oh! Ho, ho, ho. Oh, yeah. Hitting me with that. I'm fighting the guy in first. This Giga Chad. Okay, so we're probably fighting one of these two. We just fought him though, so I can't imagine making us fight him again. We up there's fodder. A distraction. Hopefully she kills Poppy quick. Poppy down. Poppy down. Good stuff. I think we're just fighting a ghost though. Top 4, baby, with Jazz. Dude, where's our Lucian? Game hates me. Top 3? What? Let's go, baby. Let's do something a little brave here. So that's where the pressure's gonna be. We do it like this, like this, like this. This could end very badly. Very badly. Come on, just hold in there. It's gonna kill us Poppy and I'm golden. Yes. 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 No. I'll take it, man. We messed up so bad there this game, guys. Like and subscribe. Trolling with Jazz and Emerald. Freaking let's go. Peace out. See you guys in the next one, man. That was a lot of fun.